Late model daily drivers are raising the bar on our hot rods and classics. Luxuries like air conditioning, cruise control, and overdrive are quickly becoming non-negotiable when planning a project. We've seen a sharp increase in demand lately for cruise controls, with customers citing comfort as the #1 reason, followed by increased fuel economy and maybe a few less speeding tickets. Whatever your reason for adding electronic cruise control, you're going to love the modern convenience. The cruise control system includes hardware to connect to nearly any mechanical throttle linkage. Whether it's cable or lever, you're bound to find something in the bag that'll work. The CRS cruise packages can be used in nearly any application, whether you have a mechanical speedometer cable or a late model transmission that only offers an electronic VSS output. The cruise system requires a simple wiring harness to be integrated to the vehicle. When it comes to setting up the cruise control, there are 12 programming switches used for calibration and fine-tuning. These are dip switches, simply on or off, and you can use a pen or another fine-point object to move them. The cruise packages include your choice of control switch, whether a turn signal stock or a dash-mounted switch. Either option is a simple plug into the cruise control harness, though physical installation does vary. You should be all set, ready to hit the road on your next hot rod adventure, only this time you won't have a sore leg when you arrive.